Alright, so right now I have up a diagram of a Cisco 2950 switch with two VLANs, VLAN 5 and VLAN 6, which there's a total of 6 PCs, 3 on each VLAN, which are connected to past Ethernet 15, 16, and 17 for VLAN 5, and 19, 20, and 21 for VLAN 6. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to first create VLAN 5, and then I'm going to create VLAN 6, and then I'm going to put in 15, 16, and 17 into VLAN 5, and then 19, 20, and 21 into VLAN 6. Alright, just double click here on Secure CRT to connect to the switch. I'm using COM port 4. The first thing that will pop up is user access verification, so I'll enter my password in. Then I'm going to want to enable. Alright, let's do a show VLAN brief. See all the VLANs. Right now I don't currently have 5 or 6 on the switch. So I'm going to go into configure terminal. And I'm going to type in VLAN space 5, which will create my VLAN 5. And then I'm going to name it, I'm going to throw a name on there and name it Scott VLAN. Alright, now let's end this and do another show VLAN. And what do you know, there's VLAN 5, which is Scott VLAN. Alright, time for VLAN 6. So we're going to go back to config T. We're going to do a VLAN 6. And alright, it kind of looks funny because there's an error that happened on my screen. But I went into VLAN 6, now I want to name it, and I'm going to name it John VLAN. If I can type, there we go. And I'm going to end, and I'm going to do another show VLAN. Alright, and there's VLAN 6 created with John VLAN. Alright, so now we got our two VLANs created. Now let's move our ports. Big T and interface. I'm going to do an interface range so I can just grab all 3 ports at once. So I'm going to do interface range FA 0/15 through 17. And I want to do switch port mode access. Make sure it's not a trunk port. And then now I want to do switch port access VLAN 5. And that just put 15 through 17 into VLAN 5. I'm going to exit, and now I'm going to do the same thing for the other 3. So interface range FA 0/19 through 21. Oh, I forgot that you had to put spaces in there. So just do an up arrow to bring you back to your last command and put spaces in there. Now I want to do the same thing with switch port mode access. Then I want to do switch port access VLAN 6. Then I'm going to end, and I'm going to do a show VLAN. And there's all my new ports, which are in VLAN 5 and 6. And the final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write this to memory by using the copy running config, startup config. And that's fine, just click enter. And it's going to build, and then finally I'm going to exit out.